Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Happy Belly mint flavoured Belgian dark chocolate thins. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a 4-pack of Happy Belly Belgian dark chocolate thins with mint flavour. And just taking a look around the box packaging. And at the back or bottom of the box, there's some product information for this 4-pack of Happy Belly Belgian dark chocolate thins, mint flavoured with crispy puffed rice. So giving you a close-up look at the product information as well as ingredients. And nutritional information as well. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. But of course, pulling off the tearing strip. To open up the box flap and giving you a look directly inside this 4-pack box of Happy Belly mint flavoured Belgian dark chocolate thins. And let's slide the contents out from the box packaging. So having a total weight of 500 grams, each pack has a weight of 125 grams. So setting the box to the side, let's set it on the right hand side of the table. And of course, rearranging the contents on the box packaging so you have a full and clear look at this 4-pack of Happy Belly mint flavoured Belgian dark chocolate thins. Okay, so just setting the other boxes aside and just focusing on one box, let's go ahead and open up this packet. So not before first taking a look at the details up close. So once again, this time around, giving you a look at the information, but this time, of course, on a single pack instead of the main box packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by tearing open the box flap or packet flap and sliding the packet out. So there is a foil packet, as you can see, and just setting that box down. Let's set it on the right hand side and giving you a look at this sealed foil packaging. You can see there are directions to keep it upright. Let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open that foil packaging and sliding the tray out so you can see. And of course just checking through, making sure nothing is left behind in the packet, just setting that packet down to the side and giving you a full and clear look at this single pack of Happy Belly mint flavoured Belgian dark chocolate thins before I start handling it and of course ultimately tasting it or eating it. Okay, and now taking a close-up look at this tray with a triple stack of the chocolate thins. So mint flavoured Belgian dark chocolate with puffed rice pieces. So you can see those puffed rice pieces forming the texture on the chocolate thins. Alright, so let's lift out one piece and take a close-up look. So just setting that tray to the side so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we focus on this single chip. So just finding a cozy spot right there at the top, and giving you a look right here at a single piece. So you can see it does have a Pringle shape to it. And taking those close-up looks, and you can see that it has started to melt already just by handling it. So those crispy puffed rice pieces showing on the surface, on the top side of this chocolate thin, and on the underside you can see there is some texturing from its production process. So let's get in even closer if we can to give you all the detail of this dark chocolate thin. And size wise, of course, resting it in my palm to give you some sense of the size. Remember, this single pack has a weight of 125 grams. And right here, just one piece from that 125 gram pack. Okay, now let's go ahead and break it in half so you can see it's broken into 4 pieces. So giving you a look at the cross section as best I can, avoiding to drop any pieces on the ground or floor. So right there, it's starting to melt all over my fingers, as you can see. So right there, the cross section with plenty of crispy puffed rice pieces. Now let's go ahead and taste it. So I'm going to taste these 2 pieces in my right hand. So there is a very subtle hint of that mint flavoring and a little bittersweet taste to the dark chocolate, of course, while giving you a look. So that was just a very tiny half piece. Now let's pop in this other half for a better taste. And still that consistent mint flavor with that very buttery and crispy texture and crunch to the thin. Now let's pop in a full piece instead for the full experience. So same creamy texture with that crunchiness of the puffed rice pieces and that very subtle yet refreshing mint flavor to it. So that's the Happy Belly Belgian dark chocolate thins mint flavored. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!